everyone and welcome back to Sarelly. It's Sarah here, and in today's video I am going to show you guys curly hairstyles. These are really quick and simple because let's be honest, no one really has time in the morning. So if this is something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. For the first hairstyle, I am dividing the front part of my hair into two sections, and I'm going to be creating this half up, half down hairstyle. I mostly do this hairstyle on days where I feel like my curls are looking way too moisturized to be throwing them in a plain bun. So this is just for days where I don't feel like wearing my hair down, but I also just want to do something a bit more special. So yeah, this is the very first hairstyle. And for the second hairstyle, I am also going to be dividing the front part of my hair into two sections, but this time I'm going to be braiding those sections. I actually also did this hairstyle in the very first YouTube video I ever made, but that video is now on private because somehow I thought I had a British accent. So that video is on private and will remain on private for the rest of my life. But of course, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what I am doing to create this hairstyle again. So I am going to create two ponytails, and I'm wrapping my foam cord hair tie around my hair 3 times to make it nice and secure. And then I am going to be using the braids to create a little detail because I am taking one of the braids and I'm going to basically attach that to the ponytail on the opposite side. It just gives you a little bit something extra as opposed to nothing. So yeah, I really like doing this. I just feel like it's a bit more special. But if you're more into buns, you could also turn those ponytails into buns. I personally prefer this over ponytails. And for the third hairstyle, I'm taking down those braids and I'm rocking the buns. For this hairstyle, I am again using those braids, but I'm going to be tying them together to basically create a crown. And this hairstyle is also perfect for when your curls are still looking moisturized. The fifth hairstyle looks pretty similar, and this time I am again using those braids, but I'm going to be tucking them behind my ears. And like the last hairstyle, it is also perfect for when your curls are looking moisturized. For the sixth hairstyle, I am going to be creating a bun, and this is how I usually create a bun. I basically just gather the hairs, and then I'm going to be tucking the ends in my foam cord hair tie. I just like doing this. I'm pretty sure there's a million ways to be creating a bun, but this is just how I like to do it. And to spice it up a little bit, I'm going to be adding some jewelry. And if you're interested, I have an entire video on me putting jewelry in my hair, so I'll link that down in the description box. For hairstyle number 7, I am doing a high bun. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot of hair to put into a high bun, so I did struggle a bit, but in the end, I do think I managed to do well because it does look pretty detained. And basically, all I did was just tie my foam cord hair tie around my hair twice, and then I basically just grabbed random curls and put them into place. So after doing this, I was left with a pretty small bun, and I chose to leave out these two bangs, and I also added a piece of jewelry to basically make it a bit more formal. I do have a wedding coming up, inshallah, so I might do my hair this way. I actually really like this hairstyle, and it's one of my favorite ones from the entire video because, like I said, it looks a bit more formal than the other ones, and you can choose to wear it with bangs or without, whichever way you prefer. For hairstyle number 8, I tried to do faux bangs, and what I learned is that you really need to tie your hair tie around your hair tightly. So what I did is tie my hair tie around my hair twice to again make it nice and secure. And after doing this, I basically removed some of the curls and I put them under my hair tie because if you have too many bangs, it can look a bit weird. And for this hairstyle, I just put those bangs to the side, and yeah, that is it. The next hairstyle looks really similar because I am again using those bangs and I also have a high bun, but this time I'm adding some jewelry and I feel like this just spices up the whole look, and I prefer wearing it this way because I just really like this. I fell in love with this hairstyle even more after I made the bun slightly bigger. And again, for this hairstyle, you can also wear your bangs to the sides and change the jewelry. You can switch it up and put it in a different place. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's so pretty, totally Instagram worthy, so you really should try this. I've seen faux bangs all over Instagram and I honestly just never get bored of them. After a quick candy break, I'm moving on to the 10th hairstyle, and for this hairstyle, I am going to be creating a low ponytail, but it's going to look a bit different because I'm going to use the top part of my hair to create basically a bit more volume, I would say. So I'm putting some water on the top part of my hair and way too much product. Okay, what was I doing? I do not know, but after combing it, it looks fine, so that is cool. And like I said, we're going to be using the top part to create some more volume. And I am using a normal hair tie as opposed to a foam cord hair tie because I want this part to be really tight to give it a better look. Okay, I'm not gonna lie though, I do think I put the ponytail a bit too high, so I would recommend putting it a bit lower, but nevertheless I do still think it looks really cool. This hairstyle, I would definitely wear this. But for the bangs, I did think they looked a bit dry, so I made this part of my hair wet, and I'm applying some product again to moisturize my hair, and I'm combing it out. I do think it looks good moisturized, but to basically match the rest of the ponytail, I'm going to switch up the bangs and just move them and make them a bit less moisturized. You can wear the bangs to either side that you prefer, but I liked it better this way. This is what my hair looks like after doing all of those hairstyles. So I am doing my favorite hairstyle ever, the famous pineapple. I love this. This is so relaxing. So yeah, a bonus hairstyle. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! I don't feel no pressure.